In this video, I am going to tell you how to draw a hexagon using turtle library. So first of all, we have to import turtle library. To start work on screen, I use ws is equal to turtle.screen. So it is the screen where turtle make a hexagon. Now I'm defining turtle. For that I use variable educator academy, and in this variable I use turtle. So it is defining the turtle. For making this six side of hexagon, I use for loop, and for six side, I execute this for loop for six times so that it will make six side of hexagon. And I use variable, and then here I variable dot fit move forward at the angle 90 degree, and again I call this variable and left move to the 300 degree. So this is actually the turtle library turtle screen, and again I use turtle define and use for six-sided loop. So and then move forward and the left. So again run program. So now you can see it making the six-side hexagon. So there is five steps. First we import turtle library, then we make screen, then we make a turtle defined, and then we make a loop for forward and left. So this is the way we make a hexagon in Python.